find the indefinite integral. So, i-separate muna natin. So, dito yung 4x cubed. Ayan. And then, ito yung 6x square, 2x, and then 5. So, ano na natin? Apply ng power rule for integration. 4 times x cubed. So, add natin na 1. So, lagi tayo mag-add ng 1. And then 3 plus 1, i-copyan dito sa denominator. Yan. So, 3 plus 1 equals, no, ito pa pala yung 4 times x, then 3 plus 1 is 4. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 divided by 4, cancel. So, x raised to 4 yung ating ang first term natin. Okay. Next, dito naman tayo. 6 times x square. Add natin sa 1 ang exponent. Then, copy natin yung 2 plus 1. Ayan. It will become 6 times, so 2 plus 1 equals 3 over 2 plus 1 equals 3. Ayan. So 6 over 3. So ito ay pwede natin silang divide pareho sa 3. So 3 divided by 3, cancel na to, magiging 1 na lang. 6 divided by 3 magiging 2. Okay, so therefore ito ay magkakaroon tayo ng 2x cubed, and then 1 lang naman yung denominator. So ito na yung ating final. Next, 2x. 2 times x. So meron yung 1 na exponent. I-add natin sa 1. Kopyahin yung 1 plus 1. So, okay, 2. 1 plus 1 equals 2 over 1 plus 1 equals 2. Yan, common terms, cancel. So, meron na lamang tayong x square. And then, we have the constant. So, dadagdagan lang natin yan ng x. So, meron tayong 5x. Ayan. So, i-combine na natin yung results. So, indefinite integral lang naman yung hinahanap. So, meron tayong sagot na x raised to 4, then minus, minus 2x cubed. And then, yun, positive x square. X square. And of course, we have 5x plus 5x. And so, dapat may constant dito eh. So, lagyan na lang natin ng plus c. So, ito yung ating hinahanap na sagot. The indefinite integral. Yeah.